Ding dong ding dong. Welcome to Quizzy Lion, my little friends.
Hi my little friends. Welcome to Quizzy Lion, let's play and learn together. Guess 20 riddles. Most difficult riddles ever. If you still have not subscribed Quizzy Lion, so subscribe it now. Also watch this video till end. And comment your answers. What has a foot but no legs? Correct, it's ruler. What has a horn but doesn't beep? Correct, it's rhinoceros. I'm made of sand, and I might have a moat. Build me near water, but I'm not a boat. What am I? Correct, it's sandcastle. What has a thumb and 4 fingers but is not alive? Correct, it's glove. I fly without wings, I have a tail but no fur. I swim without fins, and I'm known to purr. Who am I? Correct, it's catfish. I have a sail but no captain or crew. I fly in the sky, and kids love me too. What am I? Correct, it's kite. I'm full of holes, but I can hold water. What am I? Correct, it's sponge. I'm green and jump, but I'm not a frog. I croak and sing, especially in the fog. Who am I? Correct, it's toad. What has a bark but no bite? Correct, it's tree. What has hands but can't clap? Correct, it's clock. I'm the hottest planet, though I'm not closest to the sun. What am I? Correct, it's Venus. What has keys but can't open locks? Correct, it's piano. What comes down but never goes up? Correct, it's rain. I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I? Correct, it's 7. What has one eye but can't see? Correct, it's needle. You'll find me in Mercury, Earth, Mars and Jupiter, but not in Venus or Neptune. What am I? Correct, its letter, R. What kind of room has no walls or corners? Correct, it's mushroom. I'm orange, I wear a green hat and I sound like a parrot. What am I? Correct, it's carrot. Who jumps when it walks and sits when it stands? Correct, it's kangaroo. What kind of ball doesn't bounce? Correct, it's snowball. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And also don't forget to comment your choices.